Folks, I'm here with Nikki, and we're looking at our brand new microwave. Our microwave went bad a couple of years ago, a year and a half or so ago. So we've been waiting to buy a really nice one. This is a new Samsung. We got it at Lowe's Hardware. Took a little while to get it. It's very popular now. I'll show you the model. I can't remember the model, but right here it is. It says it's model ME21H706MQG. Made in Malaysia, it says. Manufactured November 2015. 120 VAC, 60 hertz, 1.7 kilowatts microwave.
But it looks like you can do all kinds of, we're going to do some research on what, and of course we'll do some product reviews on what does cook the best in it. But you can do pizzas and pastas, and it has a steaming rack where you can steam things. So what I really like about it, and the installers from Jones Electric.
Jones Electric from Hickory, North Carolina. They're super nice guys.
They showed us that it has LED lights. I don't know if you can see that right there, but LED lights, and then it has a pull-out, which this is really
pops
cool.
out, so you can clean that.
Yeah, most vents are stuck into the microwave, but he showed us that you can just pull it out and wash this. You can take this out and wash it, and then just
grease gets in that a lot of times.
And you don't want that filtering, but he thought that was a cool feature.
That is a pretty cool feature. Yeah.
And then the other thing is it has different. I've never had a microwave for the range that has different settings for vents.
Fan speeds, yeah.
So you've got there's level 1, and then hold on, there it is, 4 speeds. So you got level 1, and then it's 2, 3, 4.
It's crazy. It's a lot of air moving there.
Here's where it hooks up there.
You got the power cord going up here on the top.
And so now let's turn that off, and then of course you can do high-low. And
with your
high
lights.
And low with the LED lights. And you can set them to, I think.
I guess you can get to turn it off at a certain time. I guess,
you can have them to turn off, I think, at a certain time. Oh, we've got to learn a whole lot.
We got a lot to learn. We're gonna cook some popcorn right off the bat.
Let's do. This is what most people have microwaves for. Anyway, but we're gonna use it for a lot more. But here's our Orville Red
simplest test of all.
And it says to do this a certain amount of minutes, but we're gonna use the feature.
Look at your thing here. It might show popcorn.
Well, we're gonna use the feature, so we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna use the popcorn.
There is a popcorn.
So it says popcorn, and let's see if it says smart multi-sensor. Let's see if it knows how to do it. So it says pop. Start.
Where do we get
start?
There we go.
And let's see what happens.
So it's in there. Folks, you just don't know. Okay, let me show you what we've been using. I'm going to come over here. Don't show them. Okay. I want to show you the pitiful little microwave that we've been using. It was
it's quite dirty.
Little one from the office that I used to have in my office. That's what's been our microwave for about a year and a half while we waited for this to have the money to buy this new one. So we're really quite happy to have this Samsung. So we're getting our first pops now, and this little smart sensor's going here. It was just one little 0, now it's 2. And I do not know what the smart sensor does.
We got a lot of reading to do.
I know. Is there some algorithm that knows when the popcorn's popped? I have no idea how it knows. But it's sure going.
Now there's 3 zeros. 4, so we don't know what those mean. We need to look that up.
Is that bag going to hit the rack?
We probably should have moved. No, I think it's okay.
We're watching popcorn pop. It's like watching paint dry. I can't. For those of you who are watching this video, you're patient people. Look, 40 seconds.
This is interesting already. Who wants burned popcorn?
It smells good.
23 seconds.
It's still a lot of kernels going.
Let's see how it does. I see by now I'm usually opening.
Yeah, by me, I'm worrying at this point.
Like right there is where I would have opened it because it's like barely any. But we're gonna let it do its thing.
But it doesn't smell burned.
No.
I'm not smelling that burn smell at all.
We'll let it do its thing. Like I would have opened that.
That smells great.
That. So here we go. Let's see how it did.
No burned aroma.
On just the popcorn features, if it burned any.
That looks perfect.
It's perfect.
And I don't even see hardly a kernel.
There's no kernels left, so that was perfect.
Samsung, you passed your first big test.
You popped the popcorn perfect. So
peace to all who watch. More updates to come on this one, right?
Get that off me.
Peace.